Johnny, your neighbors will. You just can't do it, Willow, because you just can't cut the mustard, man. You better just sit there and talk to Hazel's, because you're not making the trip. Hard nosy.
We got the Watergate rolling. We got the Watergate rolling in the Mobile, 10-4.
You sure not dealing with the Watergate, man. You tell Mr. Chief Cock'em Suck'em Willie on the Watergate that I just dropped the hammer on that boy, no doubt about it. Do you have a valid driver's license, Johnny?
Got the Watergate rolling. Got the Watergate rolling. Be on YouTube tonight.
I tell you, Johnny, I gave you. They ain't gonna tell me nothing, man. Hey, he's trying to tell me something, Willie, but you keep making his head. I only catch you when you on your key. But he ain't gonna tell me nothing. All he's gonna do is get put back quiet. Look at that. I just got down again.
Sure, man. You be getting down out here around Burt Town. Be pulling up here around Burt by the old Snowman's. The old Snowman's 20, 10-4.
Like you, me too, Willie. Hey, you be getting on down too. Chief don't have nothing on you either, no doubt about it.
Ain't nothing but a Mobile, come on.
I know, I'd be getting on down, that's for sure. Alright, man. I'm gonna wait till I'm gonna get up out of here. Maybe old Darlene Sonata 24/7 bagpipe boy. Maybe he wants to talk to his neighbor Hazel. I'm back out now. You laugh, man. Standing in your underwear with your garden hose. That's funny. Enjoy your beef, bitch.
Alright, I guess I'm shutting the Watergate off.
How you pick on? Oh, you gotta put that quiet again, Willie. I can sit here and make the. Oh, there he goes back quiet again. See? On the band.
What up, Ron? Hello, just Ron. Number one in this Mobile.
You're number one. Morning to you, Ron. Morning there, Webb. Oh, 3 morning. You must like bagpipes, Johnny. Bagpipes you like, bagpipes you get. Your bagpipes don't bother us, cock'em suck'em. Your DC machine don't bother us, stupid.